So, hello and welcome back, and yes, finally we have the Lego Ideas Viking Village, so the set number 21343, 2103 pieces, comes with 4 minifigures, as you can see over here. So, 4 really nice minifigures, Vikings, and yeah, is one of those sets that I was waiting for a very long time and just had to get it. And the price range is not that bad. On official Lego site says 130 EU, but here in Croatia we have 140, of course. 149 I even believe, yeah. So about 10 euros expensive than official Lego store. So our franchise is taking money from my pocket whenever it can. So 46 centimeters. So yeah, we will unbox it, check out and start building. But today we've also got the GVP, so 40596 Magic Maze. The box is kind of big, as you can see over here. Look at this, it's almost half of the Viking Village. So yeah, it says limited edition, but now they say, oh, it's limited edition. We get this ball over here, 1 of 1. Really interesting. I'm not really sure if I wanna build. Write me in the comments if you want me to build it so you can see it, but I don't know, didn't build many GVPs lately. So yeah, but now let's focus on the task on hand, and it's the Viking Village. Yeah, we do like everything related, and let's unbox it. So yeah, let's see, all the baggies are here. Some extra pieces of this, and yeah, that's basically that. I do always like to sort them from 1 till down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This time 5. Is it 6 or it's 9? Not really sure. 7, 8, 6, 7 is kind of small. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 with these two. So we have all these baggies, and now let's check out the instruction manual. Last time, last few are coming in this paper, so that's kind of interesting to me. They don't wanna get it destroyed or something, but yeah, let's see what we have. And it's kind of thick. It's just one, because it would be even better if there was like 2 or 3, so you can build as a team. So let's check out what we have. They still have this VIP logo over here, even though it's now insiders. Never mind. So meet the Vikings community here. Some Viking stone with runes on it. Always nice. Styles, what we have, very creative problem solvers. So yeah, expedition and travels with a Viking ship over here. What else we have? Meet the designer. So Florian Brickhammer, and this is the what was as Lego ideas, but it was not approved, and this what we got. Or no, this is what the second batch it was looking as. Yeah, I mean, why not build all three of these? I would pay for it. At least this Viking little ship, that would be really nice. So yeah, what else we have? Lego designers Isaac and Joanna Worm Jensen. I do like these minifigures. These are nice. So it's in three parts. 1, 2, 3 bag is the first part. Bag 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the second part, and third part is the rest of it. So from 9 till 15. And yeah, no stickers. That's always nice. No stickers is always nice. So I have the A-frame cabin. Might get this one, Tales of Space Age. Yet insect collection, probably not. Probably not, but you never know. So let's see what we have here. That's the fully built model. That's, yeah, can't wait to start building this one. And this is nice. This is really nice. This would be really nice as a flag for a Viking ship, especially the one that we have, the builded one from creator set. So write me in comments what you think about this one. Is this something that you're gonna get? Because I can't wait to start building this. And I hope we get the medieval village, as they said, as a remake or whatever type thing we're gonna get. Because yeah, let's get it. It's not, I know it's not Star Wars, not Harry Potter and stuff, but I mean, you don't need to overpay for these sets. I mean, licensing for castle stuff, there should be no problems with that, if you ask me. But yeah, because tell me, be honest, how does this look? Really nice. I mean, there is so many of nice outbuilds out there, and why not build original stuff? Because if you can rebuild these things, why cannot make some new stuff? Because I mean, Lion Castle was amazing. So yeah, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the review of this set. I will start building it probably right now, because I'm kinda excited about this one a lot. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you guys in the next one.